Behavioral genetics research demonstrates that individual differences are important in explaining human behavior, but some psychological perspectives ignore this research. Genetics is crucial to understanding the impact of parenting, environment, and social factors on complex psychological traits. Studies reveal that genes affect our personalities and social reactions, and notable life events can be explained by genetic variants through active, evocative, and passive correlations. The article argues that all complex psychological traits are likely the result of multifaceted gene by environment interactions. However, a mistaken belief that genetic influence implies genetic essentialism may prevent heritability from being embraced in the social sciences. Practical suggestions for engaging with behavioral genetics include recognizing its limitations and focusing on its potential to enhance our understanding of human behavior.
This article was authored by Fiona Barlow.